Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the wall and the extension board. Clean the paint with alcohol so adhesive bonds, and position the strip where cables exit. Once done, test fit the extension board and mark the outline lightly with pencil or painter's tape so alignment is perfect. Use foam adhesive strips or command-style removable hooks rated for 2-3 kg. They spread load and prevent sagging. Make these choices now because the right surface prep and adhesive determine whether the mount will hold safely. You now apply the adhesive to the extension board and press it to the wall with intention. After peeling the backing, press each strip to the board edge for 30 seconds to ensure proper contact. Then align with your pencil outline and press firmly against the wall for the adhesive's recommended dwell time. If your board is heavy or has many plugged devices, add two-sided mounting tape under main weight points for extra support. This step balances adhesion and alignment so the board sits true. You finish by securing cables and checking stability. Bundle cords with Velcro ties, route them down to reduce torque on plugs, and avoid sharp bends at the sockets because strain causes peel. Once mounted, test stability by lightly tugging and wait 24 hours before full use so the adhesive cures. If you notice any peel or movement, remove and reapply adhesive to a cleaner surface or upgrade to a larger command hook. This troubleshooting tip fixes the common causes of failure quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.